Hello students, in this video we will be discussing about narrow band frequency modulation. First we are going to discuss about the narrow band FM. FM means narrow band or wide band. I already told, think about it. After completion of this topic you will understand. By the time you can think about it. Narrow band FM means modulation index beta value less than 1. Here the introduction of modulation index for analyzing the spectral components. There in AM introduction of modulation index for envelope detection. What is the single tone expression of FM we got, which is nothing but AC into cos 2 pi FCT plus beta sin 2 pi FMT. This is the single tone expression of FM. Now what I am doing is I am expanding this one just like a cos A plus B. If you expand that cos A, so cos 2 pi FCT cos B cos beta sin 2 pi FMT. Cos A cos B plus means minus AC sin A sin 2 pi FCT sin B, B means beta sin 2 pi FMT. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now I am using that beta value less than 1. I am using the beta value less than 1 means that is becoming as a narrow band. Follow. Beta is less than 1. Of course, what is the max value of beta sin 2 pi FMT? Beta. Already beta is less than 1 means cos of angle is small. Like sin of angle is small. What you will get from the trigonometry? From the trigonometry, cos of angle is small, it can approximate 1. Sin of angle you can approximate as angle itself. Angle is about to 1 radian, you can make like that. So this value is less than 1, cos of angle is less than 1, that is approximated as 1. So AC cos 2 pi FC minus angle is about 1 radian less than 1, so you can approximate as angle. What is the angle there? Beta sin 2 pi FMT into sin 2 pi FCT. This is the one expression for narrow band FM. In that list, expression number 13. Once asked in the gate examination, also in the previously. This is the expression of NBFM. Got my point or not? Follow. Now I am extending. It is minus sin A sin B formula. So you will get another expression for NBFM is, which is AC cos 2 pi FCT. What is minus sin A sin B? Cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. Already minus is there. So, but 2 is not there. AC beta by 2 into cos A plus B. That is 2 pi into FC plus FMT. Minus AC beta by 2 into cos A minus B. That is cos 2 pi into FC minus FMT. This is the another expression for NBFM. Of course, this is the expression number 14. Now for analyzing this one, try to bring the single tone expression of AM. What is a single tone expression of AM? Single tone expression for AM is AC cos 2 pi FCT plus AC mu by 2 into cos A plus B, that is 2 pi into FC plus FMT plus AC mu by 2 into cos A minus B, that is 2 pi into FC minus FMT. Now, what is my intention of writing that AM expression? You will understand. Wait. For example, AC, this is plus na. For example, equal values of this is minus only because minus sin A sin B. Yeah. For example, the equal values of beta and mu. For equal values of beta and mu, try to compare the both expressions. That is, compare the NBFM expression with AM. Both are same or different. Just tell me one answer. Same or different, that's it. Yeah, someone is saying same. Someone is saying no. Comparing means how to compare here? Comparing means additional carrier, upper sideband, lower sideband. Yes, exactly same. Compare means AC, AC, dot, dot, comma, comma. Not like that. What are the terms it have? So if you compare NBFM with AM, NBFM is exactly same as AM. Now try to listen. Where amplitude modulation we developed more than 150 years ago, now we are coming with, now we gone to the new technique, that is frequency modulation. In that, if you are going for FM, the FM is giving the same characteristics what we developed long back ago. Means there is no significance for NBFM. So there is no practical significance for NBFM because it is having more similarities with AM. So FM means wide band only. What is the radio we are using? Wide band radio only. If you see the quality radios, they will write wide band also on the top. Meaning is FM means wide band FM only, whether mentioned or not. So NBFM does not have any practical significance, similarities with AM. Even though if we compare the expression for equal values of beta and mu, anyhow both are less than 1. Both are same except a 180-degree phase shift. If signals are differed by phase also, no change in magnitude spectrum. Magnitude spectrum of AM and NBFM both are same. So power and bandwidth requirement of NBFM is same as AM. So write the bandwidth requirement of NBFM as well as power requirement of NBFM. What is the bandwidth values are? Same as AM, which is 2FM. Powers are PC into 1 plus mu, I written there, but here beta square by 2. What is efficiencies are? Beta square by 2 plus beta square into 100 for. Clear?